Both Uday and Anish said the big question is, will the war end in 30 days? What do you think?
I don't think even Donald Trump knows that. So that's, but I have a different perspective to this war. And my point is that, today the world is not the same, what we've seen over the last 30, 40 years. The world has become a very volatile place, and something or the other is happening. And we as a large country cannot depend on, oh, an LPG tanker is coming, the ship has left, and my dinner will be made, cooked, or restaurants will be running because LPG is coming. We can, as a large country like India, we cannot depend on that. So what we need to do is, very quickly, we have to rely on the energy source, especially, of our own. Now, what energy source do we have? We have solar, sun, enough sun, right? We have wind, we have coal, and nuclear. So these are the four real energy sources that we have. So we must, as a country, we must really make ourselves truly Atmanirbhar by using our own energy source. For example, we can go on induction heating for home cooking. We have to popularize that. Rather than Prime Minister standing and giving LPG cylinders and counting whether how many % of Indian population has got LPG cylinder, we have to start doing how many people have got induction heating in their kitchen and electricity to be supplied to every village, which now more or less is there. So that is like for cooking. Similarly, for mobility, we must depend on electric cars, electric trucks, electric buses, which is definitely possible. We have to come out of our comfort zone because, every petrol bunk has, we are used to it, go and fill the gas and move on. We have to move to this new way of life because we cannot, this is an opportunity, this crisis must be taken as an opportunity and must not be left unattended, must not be taken for granted that, okay, 30 days, the war will be over and then we'll be back to normal. We must take it as a challenge. We must make it as a real opportunity to change our way of thinking and working.